Good afternoon, Linda here today with a Craftsman flex drive table saw motor. This is Sears part number 62963. It is a Capacitor Start. It is manufacturer model number C55EAE-2526. This is 3450 rams, 60 hertz, 120 volts, 14.7 amps. The frame is 56. The manufacturer number is 03863. This is a non-reversible motor, counterclockwise rotation. It has 1 5/8 inch shaft. I am selling this on eBay under item number 1930 7646 1352 in the amount of $100 and $40 for shipping. I'm going to turn it on so you can hear how nice it runs. Okay, thank you for looking at my video today. Once again, being sold on eBay under item number 1930 7646 1352. Everybody have a great weekend. Bye.